It's Mike from Minimal 3DP, and today I'm going to take a quick look at the new release of PrusaSlicer 2.6.1. So let's go ahead and get started. There are actually some pretty cool changes here for a 0.1 release. Some of them include range improvements, so it does a much better job now. 3 different options for how it arranges objects on the build plate: fast, balanced, and accurate. And if you look at the drawing here for balanced, it's actually pretty cool. It's moving an object basically into the middle of the circle. So that's pretty cool. I really like that improvement. Now it looks like there's another improvement with the cut tool and the connectors. It looks like there are several different options now. There's a dovetail connection and a snap connector type. And I believe one of the other release notes said there's a reset button so you can go back and forth easily. There's some emboss improvements, and you can see that here in this diagram. There's some improvements with multi-material printing and how that works. Now there's several other smaller changes, but you can take a look at those for yourself. One of the other changes, I guess, I'll point out is there's been some improvements to the help menu, some extensions there for sample G-code models. So hopefully you found this helpful, and hopefully you'll get a chance to try the new version of PrusaSlicer 2.6.1. Hope to talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye. Hi, this is Mike from Minimal 3DP, and I want to thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. If you need some additional help, I've also posted some links in the video description. You can set up a 15-minute help session with me, and I'm more than happy to sit down with you and see if I can help you out. If you need some additional help, I'm also going to try doing 1-hour sessions for anybody that's interested. And like I said, I'm testing this stuff out. I want to thank you again for joining me, and I look forward to talking to you again next time. Thanks. Have a good day.